Now friends, you may get doubt by bending this wire how we can get more branches on the main, by bending the main trunk line or the main branch, how we will get more younger branches on the trunk line. Now see here, actually when this plant is started as a bonsai, when I bought from the nursery, this entire area is empty. I will share that photo also with you. The entire area is empty. Only on the top canopy, at the canopy level, we can see only the branches they are at the canopy level. Then what happened now while this entire branch and the main trunk line, it is very steep. That's why I used heavy gauge 5 mm gauge wire to bend this branch. And so for these branches I used thin wire and even given a literati style to the plant. Now see here, now it's already more than 2 months over. Now we can see small younger branches coming over here. You can see small younger branches here. Can you see here? They started growing younger branches here. These younger branches, because what is happening, when we are giving a momentum to the trunk line, there will be some activity on the bark. So at some places the bark will be open, that there will be crack and the bark will be open. Because of that opening at the nodes place, there might be they might be having some node or some branch, older branch. So at that plate it started giving new younger branches. See here it is there. Now you can see here also. You can see here also one more branch is there. Then here one more branch is there. Here you can see. Can you see here? Here one more younger branch is there. Like that, if you want more younger branches on the main trunk line or on the primary or secondary branches, we have given some activity to the trunk line. So now see here, now by cutting and wiring. So here what I did, I trimmed down all the canopy of the plant. All this canopy of the plant is trimmed down and it is bushy here. Because I trimmed down here, the growth is stopped here and the entire activity is shifted back to the trunk line. Now this trunk line, by bending it is having some activity, and by stopping the growth it is having more activity. By these two activities there is a development of the new branches from the back side of the trunk line. So when you want more new branches on the trunk line and the primary branch, you can use this method by trimming down all the branches of the primary branch or the trunk line, and by bending giving a shape to the different shape to the plant and different shape to the branch or trunk line, you can expect more young branches from the back side. Like that you can try to get more young branches to have more fruits and flowers on the main trunk line. You can do like that.